Look at that. There is one temple. There is a carving. Wow. Look at this view. Oh my god. Really amazing. I'm not sure where my guide is taking me. Walking, climbing all these rocks. Oh, here I go.
In this nature, the rocks, we have very beautiful sleeping Vishnu, reclining Vishnu, Ananta Shayana. We are sleeping on the cobra mattress. Can you see the cobra there? 7-headed. In Vishnu hand we have Shanku Chakra, conch on the disc, and his two eyes giving foot massage at the foot. And Brahma, the creator God, get birth from the navel. Can you see the navel, the creeper and the lotus, and you see the Brahma sitting. Either side you can see Hanuman, that side Garuda, eagle. Very beautiful carving, excellent carving in good condition. Ananta Shayana, reclining Vishnu, sleeping Vishnu.
What are the places they have chosen to carve the rocks to form all these beautiful, magnificent temples? No words to explain all these things. This is the location after the hardest climb. You see the mountain behind? Oh my god. Imagine what if the water was flowing here heavily. This is a dangerous spot. You cannot come here without any guidance. Since I have my expert, the guidance along, I'm just exploring all these places. Maybe if you want to visit this place, there is one more point from where you can take the boat and travel. There are people who are enjoying there on these boats. You can try with that. So there are few steps here. There's one more point where you see
Cluster of linga, 40 linga, we call it cluster of group of lingas.
group of lingas.
Cluster of
Awesome, sir. This is what you were walking. Wow, you see the lingas all around.
40 linga we call it.
Locally we call it as Kotilinga, but it's not in crores. But yeah, cluster of lingus. Here you go. Lingu. There's one more bunch, a cluster. Ah, so there is a carving here. Carvings done everywhere.
The Lakshmi Narasimha there.
Oh, there is one more Lakshmi Narasimha.
Walking system.
Oh, yes, metal clamps, metal hooks we have, and there is inside as well. I'm not sure how did they put the metal inside. This is really unbelievable. There is something written here as well. There is something written. It started raining now. All the rocks have become more slippery. I have to be very careful to pass through this. Oh, there's one temple here. I'm about to reach. Oh, sir, awesome. Amazing. Have you ever seen any temple just close to the water? Very, very close. Actually, this will be submerged completely. Submerged next month, right, sir? So this is one temple of God. Shiva temple.
Parvati here. And the royal deity.
Royal family deities.
Royal deity. Bhakta.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful this is. So this is the view. The view. Tungabhadra. It's raining.